Hey, what's happening, people? Check this out. On my way in from bringing in another project, I'm not sure how these videos are going to go out as far as which one's first, but anyway, I was bringing home another project on the trailer. A very good friend of mine called me up and says, "Hey, I got a welding job for you in a tight." I said, "Okay." He was actually on my way home, stopped, checked out what it was. He's got a tree service. He hauls his skid steer um, in his dump trailer, and the ramps that came with it, I'm not a big fan of them anyway, the design, but he had already broke welds on it once before, had somebody else repair it, and I'll show you what he got. He got no penetration on that weld, and you can tell that's a cold weld too. This one had a little, but not great, so that's what we're fixing. And the other ramp is in pretty much the same shape. We're going to get this knocked out real quick for him because he's going to be finishing up there in a couple of hours. He's right up the road from the house, and see if we can't get him where he can safely load his skid steer and not fall out like it almost did. That's probably about as good as that side's gonna get, considering what we're starting with. It's probably as good as you can get that. Yep. Tag it back up. It's the same way on this one. The welds are just too cold. They were done with a little flux core wire machine. You see how it stands up here. They got a little penetration there, but it's stood up there again. Same over here. It's just welds too cold. Most of those little machines, some of them are big enough to handle something this thick if you set them right and take your time, but this one wasn't really the case. I ain't dogging anybody else out. I'm not armchair welding. I'm just saying I wouldn't crawl 10,000 pounds over it like he's been doing. I mean, not his fault, but I'm just saying, whoever fixed it should have known better. But anyway, let's do this one. We're good. Welding time. Alright, we're fixed. So we're going to throw the other one on here, go deliver. Hey, we appreciate you taking your time to watch our videos. We enjoy putting out content like what you see right here. You never know what we're going to be working on, what we're going to be fixing. Tractors, trucks, all kind of stuff. So anyhow, thank you again, and a quick shout out to old Stephen Cox, my merch I got from him. Because what we do, we just got out and fix something. See ya.